21B says that Mr. Suarez will take flying lessons to become a commercial pilot. Each keyword of his training sessions lasts 3.6 hours, and he will go to 5 sessions each week. To complete his training and get his pilot's license, he must have a total of 216 hours. My question says, how many weeks will Mr. Suarez need to complete his training? So my question wants to know how many weeks. So this is a two-step because they didn't give us the total amount of hours in a week. Okay, so we're gonna have to first find out how many hours in 1 week, and then we can figure out how many weeks he will have to train. So if I need to figure out, I'm sorry, 1 week, the amount for 1 week. Okay, I'm gonna do groups, each, and total. So my groups are five sessions. Each session is 3.6. I'm missing my total, so I'm going to multiply. I'm multiplying 3.6 times 5. So 5 times 6 is 30, carry my 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. I do have one decimal place. I bring it in, and my decimal point stays there. So it's really 18 hours. So in 1 week, it's 18 hours, right? So my total has to be 216. So I can easily do division, groups, each, total. I do have groups of, I don't know my number of groups, I'm sorry. My number of groups would be the weeks. I know that each one is 18, and I know that my total is 216. So I'm dividing to find the number of weeks, right? The number of groups. I can divide 216 divided by 18, or I can eliminate here and try my answer choices. I can do that. So what I would do is I would do letter F first. 18 times 9. 9 times 8 is 72. Carry my 7. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 7. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Letter F would not be my answer. I'm looking for a total of 216. Letter G says 18 weeks. I already saw that 9 is too low, so let's try and see. So 18 times 18. 8 and 8 is 64. Carry my 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Pizza plate, pizza slice, 8 and 1. If I add, it's gonna go over. So obviously letter J is out. And just to verify and justify our answer, let's try letter H, which is 12. 12 times 18. I make my food. 8 and 2 is 16. Carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, pizza plate, pizza slice. 1 times 2 is 2. 1, and if I add, I would get a total of, I'm going to write it over here, 6 and 0 is 6, 9, 10, 11, carry the 1, 2 and 1, 1 and 1 is 2. So I do get 216 hours. So it would take Mr. Suarez 12 weeks to train 216 hours. Go ahead and choose letter H as your answer.